Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm an English language auxiliary teacher. As a native speaker, my job is to help students improve their vocabulary, their grammar, and communication skills, as well as their understanding of the English vernacular and colloquialisms. The best way to do this is actually by speaking. So once a week, we have a speaking class with the upper level students. We will split the class in half and take about 12 to 15 students into a separate classroom. For the next 30 minutes, we will work with them in a speaking activity with the group until it's time to change and take the other group into the classroom for another 30 minutes. These speaking activities can include discussions over current events, unit-specific questions where you work in partners to utilize specific grammar instruments, or even heated debates over the student's favorite form of social media. We aim to speak solely in English during this time because it is the best way to truly understand the language and increase fluency.